Hello and welcome back. Good news in the house. Now, if you are planning to monetize your channel or if you're about to set up an AdSense account, the good news is that Google has introduced a new form of verifying your AdSense account. So now you don't need to wait for the AdSense pin that will never come, that you wait for several weeks, several months without it coming to your location. So in less than 10 minutes, you can verify your AdSense account and start making your money on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a prelim, a sample of how the feel of the new verification process, how it looks like and how it works. So this process is not that new. It has been around for a while. I think the first time I had access to it was like about in 2022, about 2-3 years ago. But I believe back then it was available to some few countries. So, but now I think it's been rolled out to African countries. So like 2 creators reached out to me on my DM and told me about this issue, that they are seeing 2 options of AdSense pin verification, in their AdSense account. And fortunately, I have a creator that is in my AdSense support program that have that same option in her AdSense. So when I'm done with the creator's account, I will make a full detailed tutorial or step-by-step guide on how you can use this new AdSense verification process and get your AdSense verified in 10 minutes, no longer 4 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, 2 months. So now let me just show you on the screen. This is how it looks like. So before, typically you will see something like you use the user ID and mail pin verification. This is the normal process, but now this new one has been introduced. And if you can read here, to verify your account, you can choose from 1, a fast online verification process with trusted partner persona. That is the name of the platform that is partnering with Google. The online process involves verifying your government issued ID and completing a face match, which takes around 10 minutes. So the second one is the manual route, that is the pin route. So here, if you want to use the online verification process, you must be careful with this. So if you're not too sure or you don't know how the process, but definitely I will make a tutorial, a step-by-step guide, so that because when you do it like severally, like I know in the older version, like the user ID verification, if you do it more than 3 times or 5 times, the option of you to re-verify again will be closed, and that means your AdSense account has been forfeited. Because I've not seen anyone that tried it like more than the required time and failed, that got their AdSense account back. So, and if you have any money in that AdSense account, that means that money is gone. So let me just show you how it looks like. So when you click on verify, it will take you to the personal website. Then they will ask you getting started. So begin verification. When you click on begin verification, you now select your country. So it's just like the typical setup, the previous setup. So you select your country, what country is your government ID from. So you select, like here, I will select Nigeria. Then when I select Nigeria, it now asks me to choose the options that I want to use. Would require a photo of a government ID to verify your identity. So you now select whichever one. If it is your national ID, you select national ID. So here you take a picture. You take a picture of the government issued ID. So I will stop here. In the coming days, I will make a full tutorial of how you can do this very well without having issue with your AdSense account. Now you don't need to wait for the pin that will never come. Now, so in this video, I just recently got from my mailbox some pins from creators that subscribe to my AdSense support program. So this this creator, it took them like several months for them to resolve their AdSense account. Although the AdSense issue is somehow complicated, but eventually when I joined my AdSense support program, I was able to resolve the issue with the account, and then got the pin. We requested for this pin on the 24th of April 2025. It got here on the 8th. Yes, today is on the 8th of May 2025. So you can see that it took like about 2 weeks for this pin to arrive to me. So I'm going to open this pin. I'm going to tear it up, and inside it, so well, there's no need, it's not a hidden thing. So this is the pin. This is how it looks like. This is how the pin looks like. So I'm going to enter the pin right away. So the pin here is 4. So when I enter it and click submit, voila. So this pin has been registered, and you can see that the identity verification and the address verification has been completed. So this channel is now fully monetized. So guys, I'll be making the video, just like I said, I'll be making a detailed video on how you can verify your AdSense account in less than 10 minutes online without any hassle. So if you're not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button. And again, you know, I've been talking about my street tour. So I'll be sharing the list of channels that I'll be visiting in the coming days. So check out the community post, and I can even drop it in the on the screen. So if you're part of the channel that is being listed on the screen, please try and reach out to me through Instagram. Follow me and send me a DM so that we can schedule the particular time and date that I will be visiting your channel. So if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.